In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work efficiently in Genspark without wasting credits. Start by opening Genspark and signing into your account. Make sure you're on a stable connection and that you're using your own workspace so your history and drafts are easy to find later. Keep your login details private and avoid sharing access. This helps maintain a consistent session and ensures your outputs and usage are tracked correctly. Before you type anything, begin your task with a clear, specific prompt. Spend a moment defining your goal, audience, format, tone, and any constraints like length or style. If you have examples, include them. The more precise your instructions, the less back and forth you'll need. Instead of write an article about marketing, try write a 600-word friendly step-by-step article for beginners on email marketing basics with 3 practical tips and a short intro. This sets expectations and reduces rewrites. Avoid sending the same request multiple times. Repeating a prompt often produces redundant results and burns credits. If the first output isn't perfect, build on it. Point out what worked, what didn't, and what to change. Referencing the previous response helps Genspark refine instead of starting from zero. Use the right tool only when needed, rather than running extra actions. If browsing, file processing, or code execution isn't required, skip it. Each unnecessary action adds time and cost. When a tool is appropriate, trigger it deliberately, wait for the result, and then decide the next move. Intentional steps keep your workflow lean and effective. Review the result before asking Genspark to regenerate. Read it top to bottom. Check for accuracy, completeness, tone, and alignment with your prompt. If parts are good, keep them. Ask for a focused revision, like tighten the intro and add 2 examples, rather than a full redo. Targeted edits preserve strong sections and improve the rest. Reuse good outputs instead of creating them again from scratch. Save strong intros, templates, outlines, and instructions you'll need later. Paste reliable sections into new prompts and tell Genspark to adapt them for the current task. This creates consistency and saves time and credits. Finally, monitor your usage so you don't waste credits. Keep an eye on your remaining balance, batch related questions into a single prompt, and set a simple daily budget. Short, purposeful iterations usually beat many scattered asks. Follow these practices and you'll get higher quality results from Genspark with fewer retries, less waste, and a much smoother workflow.